No?
Hibiscus for discuss.
Can you put me in the fridge? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have with me
Brenda Adehi.
yeah. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
It's been a long time coming.
Subscribe. Today we're going to do the whisper challenge. So the whisper challenge is somebody will have music, AirPods, headphones in their ears, and the other person will whisper and they try to guess it. Do you want to start?
No. Okay. Let me start.
Do you want to be the whisperer or the whisperer?
Yeah, whisper to me.
Okay, it will be 30 seconds per whisper. We're starting now. Okay. You are my Starbucks. You are my Starbucks. You are my Starbucks.
You are my soulmate.
No. This time I went off too quickly, but let me start again. You are my Starbucks.
You are my soulmate.
No.
You're my sister.
No. You're my Starbucks.
You might stop it.
No. You're my Starbucks. You are my Starbucks.
You're my star sign.
No. You're my Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Yes.
You're my Starbucks.
Can you say it fast? No? Say it again.
Can I say it fast?
Elise's is fat.
Can I say it fast?
Khaleesi's is fat.
Why does somebody have to be fat? Nobody's fat, sis. I said, can I say it fast?
George Bush is your father.
Eh?
George Bush is your father.
Do I still process my father?
No. No.
Oh,
George Bush is your father.
I'm the princess of my father.
George Bush is your father.
I'm in the position of my father.
No. George Bush is your father.
What?
I said George Bush is your father.
It's loud, Abby.
It shocks me every time it starts.
Hibiscus for discuss.
I just have so much more to.
Hibiscus for discuss.
Can you put it in the sauce?
Wow. Hibiscus for discuss.
Can you put the fridge in the sauce?
Hibiscus for discuss.
In the fish in the sauce.
It's the way you're not delaying, yeah. Hibiscus for discuss.
In the sauce. Something in the sauce, no?
Hibiscus for discuss.
Can you put me in the fridge?
Hibiscus for discuss.
A course in the fridge.
In fairness to you, it didn't make sense. I said hibiscus for discuss.
Okay. I like your earrings.
Speak up.
Okay. I like your earrings.
Hmm?
I like your earrings.
I think you are great.
I like your earrings.
You like my hair a lot.
No. I like your earrings.
You like my earrings.
Yes.
That was easy.
That was
I knew you
easy.
were saying I like something.
Yeah.
She's taking the trash out.
She said she's coming.
She's taking the trash out.
She's coming to the kitchen.
She's taking the trash out.
She's in my room going to the kitchen.
She's taking the trash out.
She's in my house. Who is she?
She's taking the trash out.
She's taking the trash out.
Yes. She's coming to my room. She's in my house. I don't get.
Apple
Huh?
is so far away.
Apple is so far away.
That was too easy.
Because you were so slow and I could read your lips. Do you get like it was easier to read your lips?
Next time.
Okay, the bulldozer is so no, not nosy. The bulldozer is so noisy.
No, start again.
Wait, okay, let's start again.
Oh, wait.
Okay. The bulldozer is so noisy.
The movie was at where? At the where?
The bulldozer is so noisy.
The movie was at the street.
The bulldozer is so noisy.
The movie was nice to see.
There's no movie. Oh, the bulldozer is so noisy.
I don't know what it is that you're saying.
The bulldozer is so noisy.
Say it again.
The bulldozer is so noisy.
The both of you are clapping.
The bulldozer is so noisy. I said the bulldozer is so noisy.
Oil and gas together makes sense.
Eh?
Oil and gas together makes sense.
Something makes sense.
Oil and gas makes sense. Is that what I even said? Oil and gas together makes sense.
Ordinary no makes sense.
Oil and gas together makes sense.
Oil and gas doesn't make sense.
No, close. Oil and gas together makes sense.
The oil and gas leak makes sense.
No. Did I start? Oh. Oil and gas together makes sense.
I don't get. A dictionary is quite useful.
The dictionary is where the food is.
Man, the fact that I even got dictionary. The dictionary is so useful.
Eh?
The dictionary is so useful. The dictionary is so useful.
The drinking suit.
The dictionary is so useful.
This food is suitful.
The dictionary is so useful.
The joy is sweetful.
The dictionary is so useful.
The sweetful? What?
The dictionary is so useful.
The something food.
The dictionary is so useful.
The jewelry is so cute.
Cute? No, the dictionary is so useful. Oh God.
What?
The dictionary is so useful. At least you were saying full, something full.
I wasn't gonna get that.
No, when you actually said, you said dictionary.
Full. Oh yeah.
And then I was like, the fact that I said dictionary, I thought you were actually going to get it.
Aliens come from outer space.
Huh?
Aliens come from outer space. Aliens come from outer space.
Things come from out of space.
Aliens come from outer space.
From outer space.
Aliens come from outer space.
Didn't come from my space.
Aliens come from outer space.
This is all from our space.
No. Aliens come from outer space.
It's a familiar space.
Aliens come from outer space.
She has come from my space.
Aliens come from outer space. Aliens come from outer space.
Oh shit, I knew you would say something out of space. But then I said to get distracted. A brown carton is rare.
A prior cat is coming.
A brown carton is rare.
You cannot catch me.
A brown carton is rare.
A cat can't scream.
A brown carton is rare.
A ice cream.
A brown carton is rare.
A prior cat doesn't screech.
Doesn't what? A brown carton is rare.
A brown cat doesn't scream.
A brown carton is rare.
A brown cat is coming.
A brown carton is rare.
A brown cat is on his way.
A brown cat. A brown cat is on his way to do what? A brown carton is rare. I just saw that brown carton there and I'm just like winging it, okay?
Je m'appelle your name.
Eh?
Je m'appelle is your name.
Huh?
Je m'appelle is your name.
You're my Balenciaga.
Je m'appelle is your name.
Je m'appelle what?
Je m'appelle is your name.
Je m'appelle something.
Je m'appelle is your name.
Eh?
Je m'appelle is your name.
Je m'appelle is okay.
Je m'appelle is your name.
Je m'appelle Suka.
Je m'appelle is your name.
Je m'appelle is your name.
Oh my god, you got it.
I got it.
You got it, but the time was done.
Who said?
The
Yes, but who said? Je m'appelle is my name.
That's
what
what
I
I
said.
said. Your name. But you said it late. Oh, when?
On the timer.
Like it
Or
was already.
after?
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
But I was still talking before he did to do, so I have to finish my sentence.
No, you said it after it had started. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
I started talking before
Don't worry,
I said
we'll watch
do.
this and find
I
out.
said do. Then
Dun-dun-dun.
timer here.
My name is
So I have to
Michelle.
finish what I said. I don't get.
She didn't get this one.
Even if I don't get it, I still won.
I know.
what am I arguing about?
Unfortunately, for I can't
You.
even put for me.
I'll tell you for you.
For me, that's fine. But I'm the real winner here.
Based on what? The facts are not adding up.
Based on the fact that
If you play back, you would see that I am the one with more points. So
thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget
Oh
to-
yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll
this.
see you guys in my next video.
get a theme song.
I don't. Da-da.
Alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Bro, we're back. Let's start the video.